A 3.8% retreat is predicted for Uniswap by March 25, according to CoinLore. Let's kick off with a short check on today's activity. Uniswap has moved up 3.2% in the last day and is currently near $3.596. Let's break down today's forecast range. Based on 30 Rates' data, the price could touch $3.703 by March 25, an increase of roughly 3%. CoinCodex indicates Uniswap might dip to $3.548, representing a loss of 1.3%. Digital Coin Price points out it could reach $3.506 on the downside, a projected drop of 2.5%. A different analysis from CoinLore shows Uniswap could descend toward $3.46, roughly 3.8% down. Finally, Traders Union sees the value moving down to $3.342 by March 25, 7% under now. This is the top profit forecast. The 5 calls are covered. Let's move along. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. Looking at the forecast as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decrease of 7% and a rise of 3%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Traders Union leads with 7% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you might secure between $13 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, CoinCodex ranks highest with a 86.7% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. The consensus points toward Uniswap trading at about $3.512. Let's take a closer look. Consensus insights highlight a 2.3% decrease in price. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 2.3%. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $23 more, which adds up to a probability of about 79.8% for the consensus forecast to hold true. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. 30 Rates expects losses to extend. The view from CoinCodex is that Uniswap will hold its ground without a decisive trend. Digital Coin Price anticipates Uniswap heading south. Likewise, CoinLore expects Uniswap to head lower. A bearish outlook is likewise projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. Consensus analysis indicates Uniswap facing a bearish path across the 3-day outlook. So, most analysts highlight a bearish direction for Uniswap. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. At the end of the day, the price settled at $3.587. Out of all 5, just 2 ended up on the right side. Strongest accuracy was shown by Digital Coin Price. Now we'll arrange the details clearly. 3 forecasts landed within the candle. Looking at ROI, some forecasts closed in the green, and the highest figure was 1.6%. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. Also worth noting, Digital Coin Price had a forecast probability of 87.1% accuracy and 1.6% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Uniswap and others. Leading the list is the cryptocurrency we're reviewing, with forecasted returns of 2.3%. For now, we're comparing Uniswap with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. If you came here for Uniswap, I hope it helped. Drop a like if it did. See you when the next numbers come in.